Go on, people. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching the fourth official, that place and the only place you can get that Jamaican American views on football with a heavy bias towards Manchester United. I want to say thank you guys for keep on watching, subscribing, and sharing the videos. We really do appreciate all the support we've been getting, and we continue as we hope to continue this wonderful journey of making videos talking about what we're passionate about, which is football, reggae boys. And pretty soon the Manchester United season will start, and we'll start all our Manchester United content as well. So again, thank you guys so much. If you're brand new, make sure you drop a like on the video and subscribe. And without any further ado, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. You remember that moment back in primary school or earlier school when you have parent-teacher meeting and you just sit down next to your mother and every sentence your teacher talk, every pass you make, you look over for your mother because you might get a right a back on. And you just say, and teacher depend, so the boy I know where I do. He's smart, but he just chat too much and then you look over for your mother because you just feel the back and come. Or the whole time you sit down there quiet. Because one the teacher member said 2 weeks ago, you tell her to go suck out her dirty bug. You remember them days there? Yeah, because when man did rude in high school, one day you're calm and collected, Or when a parent teacher's day, when your mother comes sit down next to you, Because you have a couple beating to get in front of all your friends, This is where we are today, people, with the JFF. This is where we are today with the Jamaica Football Federation. And honestly, we, the people, are the parents. As constituents of Jamaica, as citizens of the diaspora, we are the parents. The JFF at this point is a student, and we are about to take the report of said student as to what type of job they've been doing. Now, just like any boss, we will be looking at the performance report for the JFF for the past couple of years, ever since this new administration or this new regime has taken over. And we'll be judging them as to how good of a job have they done. You guys know my views on the JFF. You guys know I don't believe they should be keeping their jobs. But with the news that's coming out, that Jamaica has now dropped, 4 or 5 places on the FIFA rankings to 50th. One has to ask the question, well, are we regressing? Where is the progress? Someone point me to the progress. Since Captain Burrell passed, where is the progress? I would love for you guys to get in the comment section and start off with that by telling me if you think the JFF is doing a great job. Where is the progress? But like any good teacher, like any good boss, we'll be grading the JFF today on a curb, because we went ahead and we went on the JFF website and we found the constitution of the JFF, that document, that binding document that dictates and details how the JFF should be run, how the organization should be structured, and more importantly, its objectives and its mission. We know these men are incompetent. We know these guys don't have a clue what they're doing. So in an effort to be fair, we will only grade them on one aspect of that objective. They have objectives all the way from A all the way down to E, but we'll only grade them today on one aspect of that objective, and that will be objective A. And objective A on the JFF Constitution reads like this: to promote and develop the game of football in Jamaica in every way. Through the game of football, develop national pride, unity, and culture. To promote the game of football in Jamaica in every way. Through the game of football, develop national pride, unity, and culture. That is what we'll be grading the JFF on today. The simple, straightforward objective: to promote the game of football in Jamaica in every way. And so to the JFF, I ask you, have you, since you've been in power, promote the game of football in Jamaica in every way? And while you're sitting there waiting and answer people, let me give you my thoughts on this. No way, shape, or form. There has been no development of football in this country. Where are the programs that were supposed to promote primary school, early school football? Where are they? Where are the programs that are supposed to promote youngsters leaving from high school, bidding them into club football? Where are they? That's just one level of promotion in terms of building a structure that can build football and build a football infrastructure. Where is it? Where is the coaching infrastructure that gives you, the JFF, the authority to develop a system where coaches cannot go coach anyone unless they have a certain level of qualification? Where is it? Florida is probably the most populated state in the country of the United States right now, with the most Jamaican contingent, along with New York. Jamaica is playing the Gold Cup in Florida. All our group games, I think, was in Florida. And there were people in Florida who had no idea that Jamaica was playing football. Where is the promotion of our football, JFF? We have people down there who went to the games telling us, coming on YouTube channel live telling us that there are Jamaicans in and around Florida who had no idea that Jamaica was playing a game, let alone had a competition in Florida. Where is the promotion, JFF? Where is the marketing? Jamaica is playing in a competition, a CONCACAF competition, and the JFF does not have availability to send jerseys across the world. JFF doesn't even have the ability to send jerseys across Jamaica. The JFF is telling people, come, your jerseys are now available. 3 weeks after the competition starts, the jerseys are now available for you to buy and support your team. However, if you want it, you have to come pick it up at the JFF office. How convenient. 2021, and you cannot figure out how to send packages to people. To this day, anyone in the diaspora who wants to support the Reggae Boys for the Gold Cup or the upcoming World Cup qualifiers, you will not be able to do so with a brand new jersey on, because the JFF is saying jerseys are available, but not for anyone outside of Jamaica. Oh, and if you're in Jamaica, you have to pick it up at the JFF building. What kind of slackness is that? The JFF cannot manage their way out of a seatbelt. It does not make sense. You guys should know. We all should know once those recordings leak of the JFF conversating with the players about pay, and the JFF admitting that they don't have money to pay these players. We should know that these guys, that's the point where you should say these guys should go. We should stop enabling these men for being failures. The Jamaican population needs to stop accepting this. We need to stop rewarding mediocrity, bro. None of it don't make any sense, and I'm going to keep harping on this over and over. Where is the promotion? Where is the marketing? Where's the development? Where is the culture? Where is the football culture? We don't have any transparency with the JFF. We don't know how players are selected. We don't know the criteria in which players are selected. We're left to speculate as to the players that get selected to represent our country. How is it that in 2021, the Jamaica Football Federation does not have money to pay the players for them to play for the country? Could not find 500 US to pay the players to play for the country. Now I'm asking, when the team is traveling, when Jamaica is going to the Gold Cup or traveling to Saudi Arabia, how many of the Jamaica Football Federation contingent travels with the team, gets holed up in hotels? Those costs, could those be offset to play the players and get masseuse and more medical staff for the players instead of carrying the entire JFF staff? Is that something that we could have done? Is that something that's going on right now? I don't know, but it bears a question. I guess the fourth official is here to ask these type of questions. Open up your minds, people. Open up your eyes. The JFF keep pissing on our heads and then telling us that it's raining, fam. Why do you think there's zero transparency with these, man? Now, people, I would ask you to make your grade. Think about it long and hard before you drop your grade in the comments. How would you grade the JFF? Again, we're not going to go off all the other objectives within that list in the Constitution. We're going off of one. Do you think, since the passing of Captain Burrell, has the JFF regime, let me read this out for you again, promote and develop the game of football in Jamaica in every way through the game of football, develop national pride, unity, and culture? Have they done that? What grade would you give them? Here, at the fourth official, unequivocally, they get an F. Actually, they get an FF. Kake is if you're under 18, but the JFF, you're getting a fucking F. It's that simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Very much appreciate your time. Make sure you continue to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family. We continue to try to build this like-minded platform where all of us can have a talk about football, show our passion about the Reggae Boys, and remember, Manchester United all the way. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Wear a mask. Manaz.